Cards are something that can truly help you maximize your finances and earn more for what you spend. Are you stuck in the middle of an ocean full of credit card offers, struggling to choose what is best for you? Then here are the best credit card suggestions for beginners in 2025. Number 1. Chase Sapphire Preferred Card. Starting our list at number 1 is a card that balances rewards, perks and value, making it our top pick for most people. It's the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card. The Chase Sapphire Preferred has been a consistent favorite for good reason, and in 2025 it continues to offer fantastic value for travelers and everyday spenders alike. So what are the key features of this card? You will get 80,000 bonus points after spending $4,000 in the first 3 months, worth $1,000 when redeemed through Chase Ultimate Rewards. Earn 3 times the points on dining, 2 times the points on travel, and 1 times the points on all other purchases. Access to Chase's Pay Yourself Back program, letting you redeem points for statement credit cards, and the best part, no foreign transaction fees. Perfect for international travelers. This one has an annual fee of $95. So if you're someone who loves a solid mix of travel rewards, everyday value, and premium perks without breaking the bank on annual fees, the Chase Sapphire Preferred is an excellent choice. Number 2. Citi Double Cash Card. Next up at number 2, we have a cashback card that keeps things super simple and rewarding, the Citi Double Cash Card. No need to track categories or keep up with rotating bonuses. This card is all about maximizing your cashback in the easiest way possible. Let's look at some of the card's best features. You can earn 2% cashback on all purchases, 1% when you buy and 1% when you pay. There is no annual fee, isn't that wonderful? An introductory 0% APR for balance transfers for 18 months, then a variable APR applies. Number 3. American Express Gold Card. Now, if you're a frequent traveler and want a card that gives you access to some incredible perks, our number 3 pick is the American Express Gold Card, a true standout for travel enthusiasts. Key features of this card include an opportunity to earn 60,000 membership reward points after spending $4,000 in the first 6 months. 4 times the points on dining at restaurants and 4 times the points at US supermarkets on up to $25,000 in purchases per year. 3 times the points on flights booked directly with airlines or on AmexTravel.com. $120 dining credits and $120 Uber Cash annually, which can help offset the annual fee. Generally, there is an annual fee of $250. Number 4. Wells Fargo Active Cash Card. Not everyone wants to pay an annual fee, but that doesn't mean you have to compromise on rewards. Coming in at number 4 is the Wells Fargo Active Cash Card, perfect for anyone looking for a solid cashback with no annual fee. Want to know the best deals with this card? With the Wells Fargo Active Cash Card, you can earn 2% unlimited cashback on all purchases, plus a $200 cash rewards bonus after you spend $1,000 in purchases within the first 3 months, and a 0% intro APR for 15 months on purchases and balance transfers. If you're looking for a straightforward cashback card with no annual fee, the Wells Fargo Active Cash is a strong contender. It's perfect for everyday spending, and that intro APR can be really useful if you're planning a big purchase or want to pay down a balance. Number 5. Blue Cash Preferred Card. Next on our list at number 5 is for anyone who spends a lot on groceries, and let's be honest, that's most of us. It's the Blue Cash Preferred Card from American Express, and it's unbeatable when it comes to grocery rewards. Some key features include 6% cashback on up to $6,000 per year at US supermarkets, 6% cashback on select US streaming services, just think Netflix, Hulu, and more, 3% cashback at US gas stations and on transit, a $250 statement credit after you spend $3,000 in purchases within the first 6 months. This one has an annual fee of $95, which will be waived in the first year. So there you have it, folks, the best credit card options for beginners in the US for 2025. Each of these cards offers something unique, whether it's cashback, travel rewards, or low interest rates. The right card for you depends on your lifestyle, so take your time to figure out which one aligns with your spending habits and financial situation. Do you guys have any other amazing credit card options in mind? If so, please share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it entertaining, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our channel and ring the notification bell so you never miss any future content from us.